TikTok Shop affiliation is an emerging way for content creators to earn commissions by promoting products on TikTok. When users purchase products through your unique affiliate link, you earn a percentage of the sale. Here is a step-by-step guide to get started with TikTok Shop affiliation effectively. Step 1. Sign up for a TikTok Shop affiliate program. Begin by joining an affiliate program. TikTok collaborates with various e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Amazon. You can register through these platforms or look for brands running their own affiliate programs. Upon approval, you will receive unique affiliate links. Step 2. Choose products wisely. Selecting the right products is crucial. Align the products with your audience's interest. For instance, if your content revolves around beauty tips, opt for makeup or skincare products. If you have a tech-centric audience, opt for gadgets. Staying relevant to your niche increases the likelihood of engagement and conversions. Step 3. Create engaging content. The key is to craft engaging and creative TikTok videos showcasing the products. Types of content that work wonders include unboxings, tutorials, reviews, or humorous skits. Authenticity is vital. Demonstrate how the product adds value to your life. This connection builds trust with your audience. Step 4. Add your affiliate link. With your video ready, incorporate your affiliate link either in the video description or your bio. Inform viewers in the video about the link's location. TikTok's feature for direct linking in videos should be utilized to streamline the process. Step 5. Promote your content. Do not solely depend on organic reach. Leverage TikTok's paid promotion features and share your videos across other social media platforms. Wider exposure translates to more clicks and potential sales. Step 6. Track your performance. Most affiliate programs offer analytics tools for performance tracking. Monitor which products and videos are driving the most sales and adjust your strategy based on these insights. To conclude, making money with TikTok Shop affiliation hinges on selecting suitable products, crafting engaging content, and effective promotion. Start modestly, experiment, and above all, enjoy the process. Remember to analyze your performance regularly and refine your strategy for better results. Happy affiliating!